Hello everyone, welcome to our new lecture. Today we are going to talk about how to crack WPA2 and PSK passwords using powerful tools like Aircrack-ng. So, in this tutorial, this is just for educational purpose only. I'm not just doing it illegally, we can say. I'm just doing these tests on my own network or my own Wi-Fi router. So you also pretend this or attempt this attack or practical legally or with the permission of the network owner, and not do this activity like malicious. So introduction to WPA2 and PSK. So WPA2 and PSK is a pre-shared key. It is a common security protocol used to protect the Wi-Fi networks. So cracking it involves capturing the handshake and using a directory or brute force attack to find the passwords. So there are some tools we are going to use, or we are the tools that is needed to perform this activity or the practical. So there are some tools like Aircrack-ng, second one is airodump-ng, and third is aireplay-ng. So these three we are going to use, but you can also use Wireshark. It's optional, and a word list that may be a .txt file. So Aircrack-ng is a suite tool of to access the Wi-Fi network security. Airodump-ng, that is a part of Aircrack-ng suite for that is used for packet capturing, and aireplay-ng is a part of Aircrack-ng suite used for injecting some frames. And the word list is a txt file of different passwords list, or different words is used in that. uh, I'll show you on the practical. Let's see. So basically, open up your terminal, and just I'll adjust the screen. So just I will make it smaller. So not this is too much small, so this much, let it be on the center. So I'll just type a command that is airmon ng -ng and start WLN0. So it is not existing because I had already used it as a monitor mode. So you can just use this command to enable monitor mode. So I'll just enter this with the command airodump-ng, and just I will type the WLN0 mon means monitor mode. So it will start the monitor mode Wi-Fi. So I can see here all the networks and the PSSID beacons and the channel number and authentication and ESSIDs. So as we can see, there are so much we can say the beacons, changes in the beacons. So here are the some BSSIDs and stations, means the connected users to that network. So I'll just use another terminal. So here are I will let it stay as it is, or wait, I will close this only. So just I will type here a command that is airodump -ng. Type in let, and the hyphen in front of that, give just a space and hyphen BSSID, and enter the BSSID of your target network or target router. So my target router is this, just like 5C C2. 62. I will just copy it and paste it here. So in front of that I will enter the keyword that is C for the channel number. So the channel number is 13. So I will enter the 13 number, and just in front of that I will type W, and the save then the location of the word list. So I will just enter the root and then desktop, and then I will enter the name that is handshake. So just type in here, and WLN0 mon for the monitor mode, WLN0. So it is giving me an error. So I will just check the code is correct or not. So I will just try the make sure that the path is correct. So if the path is correct, so there is no issue. Slash are correct. So let's check the C13 channel number 13 is correct. So let's see the word that W is capital or what. So just check. So again it is giving me an error. Let's do some another changes, like make this W small again, and then try the space. I will just erase this and just root and handshake and hit the enter button now here. So it is giving me an error again. Just try it again. Just I will see the space between this there is space given, so then also it is giving me an error. So let's solve this issue. So give you a space again, no working. So I will try this again. So let's me check the all these IP and MAC ID, BSS ID are correct. So I will just make it sure. So all things are correct. Just I will make sure that the channel number is correct or not, because there are that is not aligned properly. It's correct. I will give this C13 minus this. I will give here a hyphen and just hit the enter. Okay, it is giving me an error again. So sorry guys, I was just keeping trying the thing as you can see on the screen. So I had found the error that was just a second. Handshake, just there was a bit of space again it is giving. So I will just once again, there was a hyphen and that's it. There was no space between hyphen W and the path, so make it sure. So it is giving your information about the target SSID of the router. So let me check my mobile and I'll just enter the password to that router, or I will just connect to the that router. Just a second. I'll just connect to the router. So yep, I had connected to the router, so you can see on the screen. So this is the IP of MAC ID of my mobile. So you can see the SSID in that all the things. So BSSID is of the router and the station is for the mobile's MAC ID. So I will just check the while it is disconnecting automatically and connecting. I'll just make sure it is stable connection between my mobile and the router. So it is stable now. So I'll just quit this session now here, like control and C. Just click on terminal and just paste control C. So it was I was not. So we have to not quit that. So I will just enter that command again and hit the enter. So the session started again and the mobile is connected. So I will just use another terminal for the another process, or we can say give another command, that is airplay-ng. So I don't know, the connection between my mobile and the router has been disconnected automatically, so it is not reconnecting again. So I'll just enter this command. So airplay-ng hyphen o sorry 0 space 0 hyphen a, and the BSS ID of the we can say router, and then space, and then hyphen c, and the BSS ID or station ID of your mobile, and space, and WLN 0 mon. So hit the enter, then you will start this session. So it is authenticating and the authenticating the connection between my mobile and the router, to make sure that the password enter, it captures the entered password. We will let that as it is on the screen. We will not close these both the terminals. So I will open the new terminal and just adjust it. So there is a folder generated by me, and this was by the aircrack or airodump. So this was the handshake, and just let me confirm, there is a password.txt. So let me tell you how to create the password.txt. So you can go to chat gpt and just enter the command, that, or we can say the uh, prompt, that give me all popular, or we can say give me at least 1,000 Indian people names, and you can just copy that and paste it into the txt file, and just again give one command, generate a python script to um, generate the words, or we can say the numbers, from 1 digit to maximum 8 or 9 digits. So it will give a program, and you just run that program, and the copy the output, that will be from 1 digit to 8 to 10 digit numbers. So just copy that and also paste that into that password.txt. I will provide you some 2 to 3 password list. So you copy them all and paste it into your password.txt, and that's how the password.txt is made. So it will use the combination of all the words and the numbers, and generate a or give you the output, the password. So on my password.txt, I had entered my name, that is Atharva, and anywhere in the middle, and I had also entered the numbers like 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 10,000 is, and alphabets from A to Z. So it will combine all the numbers and letters and give me the output password. My password is capital A THARVA small and 2426K. So that is my password of router. So let's see whether it will found or not. So just see. So I will type here a command, that is aircrack. Just type here air CRACK hyphen NG, and then you have to enter the handshake file name. So let me confirm the extension of that handshake file. So just minimize this and see the handshake. There are 2 to 3 handshake files. So this one is handshake hyphen 01.cap. So I will just enter here handshake 0 hyphen 01 and .cap capture file, basically it is. So just give a space and hyphen w for the location of the password.txt. So it is in the root directory, so passwd.txt. I have saved that name. So just check all the things before entering. So all things are correct. So I'll just enter the root, because it is in the root directory, and then desktop directory. So just enter the path correctly, so there will be no error. that was awkward previously. So I'll just hit the enter button. So it has starting the brute force attack. It is combining all the password, as you can see on the here, right here, and it is combining all the password and let it run. It will take so much time. Just minimize that and let all the make sure I'm just setting it as like we are seeing in the sci-fi movies to look some better. Hmm. I'm not just showing off. So for looking better, I'm doing this. It's a show off only. So okay, that has found the password within, I think so, 8 to 10 seconds. So password was ATHARVA2426K, as I had told you. So this was the method how to crack the Wi-Fi password. So thank you for watching this lecture, and we will meet in our next session. Till that, take care and bye.